Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know we're going right back down that Eafengrow rabbit hole. I know this brand gets a lot of hate, but for the money that you're going to spend for something, if you break it, you're not going to cry too hard. Today we're going to take a look at the, oh dear lord, the Eafengrow EF929. We're just going to call it a folding knife, okay? Because seriously, how it says pocket, survival, hiking. Folding knife. Alright, I don't know why Eafengrow does it. They seriously just throw out so many names on a damn blade. Alright, well here it is in all its itty bitty little glory. Now, for some reason, this reminded me of another company's blade that I brought. Oh, sweet lord, it's like the Elijah Isham Flipper or something like that. I can't remember the company off the top of my head. Bad Chris. But I like the look of it, how the scales seem to be smaller than overall and how it has that little curve look to it. So it sits nice right in your hand. Now, would I suggest using that as a finger chorl? No. I would just suggest keeping it right there behind the flipper. I do like the itty bitty bit of jimping, and I do like the blue anodized pivot screws that are there. And I should say the back space, the frame screws as well. Damn, talk, Chris. Get it out, boy. Alright. You can find this one in 3 different colors. The scales can be black, desert brown, or just once for Doc P 91B. Jade. That's right, Doc. Jade. But I think you've already brought one of these to your channel. Not sure, bro, but I had to do that because I know how much that is your kryptonite. Alright, let's get into the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 8.54 inches. The blade's about 3.35. Closed, it's going to be about 5.08 with a 5.07 ounce. This thing you will feel in your pocket. It's big, and if you wear shorts a lot, it'll slap your thigh a lot when you're walking. We do have a plain edge, and I don't know if you can see that too well, but I do like those grind lines on it. It's just, wow. It looks really, really beautiful. So plain edge with a flat grind. Now here we go. The steel is, they claim D2. And I say claim because I brought an Eafengrow to my channel before, did a PMI test on it, wasn't D2. For the price point, if it's HCR 13 MOV, I don't care. Alright, if it's actually D2, which used to be a super steel not that long ago that you would pay extra for, score. It's a good beater, starter, futuristic looking blade. Is it something I would carry all the time? Nope. But there was something about it I went, alright, you're in cart, let's go. We do have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock. As I said earlier, we do have black G10, scales with the blue anodized pivot screws and like the frame screws as well. We do have a ball bearing pivot opener, and it does open okay with the flipper. There's just something about, I don't know. Every time I'm opening it, it feels like my finger drags along the frame there, and it just gives me a weird feeling at times. No COVID, just fat boy allergies. Only one way to carry it, right hand carry, tip up, and this thing does sit deep in your pocket. You're pulling from like right there. And I did not like that. I just, for me, no. It is made in China, and they do have a U.S. distributor that's based out of Lexington, Kentucky. You can find them on Instagram nowadays at Eafengrow. Alright, let's get on to the cut tests that we usually love to do here on the channel. We're only going to do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why do these cut tests. Alright, let's get at it. Heavy duty stock paper. Ooh, that's kind of clean. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get a curlicue. Oh yeah, look at that. I like that. The reason why I try to get those is because anybody can just take a blade and go sharp. But if you drag it across nice and slow, maintain that same edge angle, that's kind of what should happen. That paper should start to curl back in on itself. That's going to show you there's like no pitch, chips, all that other fun stuff on the blade itself. Hardly any snowfall. I see like a little bit right there. Damn. Not bad. Let's see how it does in the struggle test. Yeah, Bill Rivers. I think I'm going to keep that there forever. I don't know why. All right. Let's start it off with a poll. Really? Holy crap. I'm sorry. I'm shocked. With this paracord and blades I've been doing recently, that never happens. Whoo! Ha ha! Shut up, Bill Rivers. I'm going to enjoy this. It's not bad. Not bad on that slice. Damn, that was impressive. For that paracord? Woo! Alright. Mr. Ratchet Strap tried running, but we caught him. Had to release the hounds. Yep, right through, no problem. Okay, so let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. No real problems that I can see. Okay, so we did the homework on this guy on August 26, 2021. It's currently September 3rd, 2021. The only place you can find these blades are on Amazon. This is going to run you $24.99, and it is Prime eligible. It's been rated 4.2 out of 5 stars with 34 reviews on Amazon. There's all that fun stuff. Now comes the best part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that good stuff right down below. I know Eafengrows, I know the names, I know the clones, I know all that stuff, okay? But I really want to know, do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I got it because of the futuristic look to it. Really didn't plan on carrying it. Thought it might be something neat to add to the collection that one day my kids will sell when I die. That's just sad. Sorry. But anywho, if you guys were somewhat entertained by today's video, please do me a favor and hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get us out there to other people who should be seeing this insanity. I know, you want to be selfish and keep me to yourself, but I'd like to grow a little. Not just in the belly from COVID, okay? You know, everyone's getting fat because of the Rona. But still. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, and you long-time viewers, well, I should say, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. I know I do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I'm very, very appreciative of your view time today. Hopefully I earned a little bit more of it. Now, for you first-timers and long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, all my questions, why? Leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription. You never know what your suggestion may bring change to the channel and get us better off in the future. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, okay, guys? Look right down there. In a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's my quick tabletop look at the Eafengrow EF929 folding knife. I want to say, thanks for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.